Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Vagaro Forms. Vagaro is a popular salon and spa management software. It offers a variety of features, including online booking, appointment management, and marketing tools. One of the features that Vagaro offers is forms. Forms can be used to collect information from your clients, such as their contact information, medical history, and payment information. They can also be used to collect feedback from your clients about their experience with your business. In this video, I'm going to discuss the different types of Vagaro forms, how to create and manage forms, and the cost of using Vagaro forms. What are the different types of Vagaro forms? There are three main types of Vagaro forms. Client intake forms. These forms are used to collect information about your clients, such as their name, address, phone number, email address, date of birth, medical history, and payment information. Consent forms. These forms are used to obtain your client's consent for certain treatments or procedures. Feedback forms. These forms are used to collect feedback from your clients about their experience with your business. How to create and manage forms. Creating and managing forms in Vagaro is easy. Here are the steps. Log in to your Vagaro account. Click on the Forms tab. Click on the Create New Form button. Enter a name for your form. Select the type of form you want to create. Add the fields you want to include in your form. Customize the appearance of your form. Save your form. Once you have created a form, you can manage it by clicking on the Forms tab and selecting the form you want to edit. You can make changes to the form's name, fields, appearance, and settings. How much does Vagaro Forms cost? The cost of using Vagaro Forms depends on your subscription plan. There are 3 subscription plans available: Basic, Pro, and Premium. The Basic plan costs $39 per month. It includes 1,000 forms per month and 100 client records. The Pro plan costs $69 per month. It includes 5,000 forms per month and 500 client records. The Premium plan costs $99 per month. It includes unlimited forms and unlimited client records. In addition to the subscription fee, there is also a one-time setup fee of $99. Vagaro forms are a great way to collect information from your clients and manage your business. They are easy to create and manage, and they are affordable. If you are looking for a way to improve your salon or spa's efficiency, I recommend using Vagaro forms.